Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Boil 8 ounces macaroni in 4 cups water with 1 tablespoon salt for 8 minutes until al dente. While the pasta cooks, prepare an ice bath and set a colander in the sink. Drain the macaroni and immediately rinse under cold running water to stop the cooking and remove surface starch. Shake off excess water, then transfer to a bowl and toss with 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar to prevent sticking. Spread the pasta on a tray to cool faster and place it in the refrigerator while you prepare the dressing. Mix 3/4 cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup sour cream, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar in a medium bowl until smooth. Add 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, then taste and adjust seasoning to your preference. For a bit of crunch, stir in 1 teaspoon celery seed or 1 tablespoon chopped dill pickle if desired. When the dressing is balanced, fold it gently into the chilled pasta using a rubber spatula so the macaroni stays intact and every piece is coated. Fold in 1 cup diced celery, 1/2 cup diced red bell pepper, and 1/2 cup chopped red onion to the dressed pasta. Mix until vegetables are evenly distributed. If you like protein, add 3/4 cup diced ham, shredded rotisserie chicken, or 1 cup frozen peas thawed and drained. Transfer the salad to an airtight container and chill for at least 2 hours, up to 24 hours, to let flavors meld and textures settle. Before serving, stir gently, adjust salt and pepper, and garnish with 1 tablespoon chopped parsley for color and brightness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.